Monet 100 215 kWh parameter settings. Ensure the grid switch and auxiliary switch are in off position. Ensure AC SPD indicator color is green. Startup. Turn on the client-side grid switch. Using a multimeter to ensure the grid voltage is between 340 and 440 volts. Turn off the client-side grid switch. Turn on the grid switch and auxiliary power switch. Turn on the battery high voltage box switch. Then await system startup. Troubleshooting guide. Click data. Real-time alarm. Ensure no alarms except low DC. Click system. Parameter set. Ensure your converter default parameters the same as the video. Click battery parameters. Set up limit SOC to 100%. Set discharge current and charge current to 140 ampere. Manual mode settings. Click system. Click run mode, then select manual mode. Click switch. System on. Wait 60 seconds for startup. Click system. Click parameter set. Then on the converter parameters page, configure active power as required. Charge and discharge test. In the converter parameters page, set the active power to 50%. Then return to home. Grid real power is positive, battery is discharge. It indicates that the battery discharge function is normal. In the converter parameters page, change the active power to -50%. Then return to home. Grid real power is negative, battery is charge. It indicates that the battery charge function is normal. Automatic mode peak shaving. In the system interface, click run mode. In the automatic mode, click peak shaving. Enter change interface. Set start time, end time. Power. Select charge or discharge mode, and enable. Finally, click Save. Click Done. Set control mode to peak shaving. Click Switch. System on. OK. The peak shaving setup completed. Data viewing and export. Use an electric screwdriver to remove all screws from the panel. Insert a USB drive into the HMI rear port. Click Record. Data report. Click Data Export. Then click OK. After appears Export Success. Wait 5 minutes that can get all data. Shutdown. Click Switch. System off. OK. Return to data interface. Click Battery Data. Bat off. OK. Wait for the system to shut down. Turn off both the grid power switch and auxiliary power switch. Turn off the battery high voltage box switch. Press and hold the DC power switch to the left for 3 seconds. The green indicator light goes out. Wait for the touchscreen to power off. The device is shut down. Seal cable entry with fireproof putty, then reinstall the PVC protective cover. You have completed all parameter settings.